Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can level up your energy and also your health on Blox Fruits game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is a very basic tutorial. You can monitor your energy and your health right here. My current energy and my health is 135 and we can improve it. So basically, if we want to improve the energy, we need to earn points and we can level up our energy and our health right here. You can go to the stats and then you can increase the energy. You can level up the stats like this with your points. Okay, and it will increase your energy level. Okay, like this. And let's see. Okay, my energy and my health is upgraded to 145. Okay, don't forget to level up your stats with your points. Okay, and we need to earn more points by defeating the enemy. For example, this monkey. I'm in the jungle, so I need to defeat the monkeys. Okay guys, and that's how you can improve or level up your energy and your health on Blox Fruits game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.